What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing November's Boxycharm. Yay!
Real nice.
Chris is back.
Yay.
It's been a while.
Yay.
We missed October's Boxycharm. We suck. October was busy.
It was a busy month.
It was a busy month. We had Halloween.
We could have done the Jeffree Star Halloween thing. We did that in the kitchen.
I unboxed it for them by myself.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, sorry you guys missed out.
Yeah, he could have been there with us.
Could have been there.
Maybe he will be there. Maybe I'll get November's Thanksgiving mystery box. And Chris can unbox it with us.
That's so nice. Is it free?
No.
Oh. So, costs money, huh? Okay. We'll see. Maybe, maybe not, ladies and gentlemen.
Maybe. Okay. I don't know why I kept doing that. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. November's month is Boxycharm Stellar. Stellar. And I am card 8 heart. Heart 8. 8 heart. The 8 came first. If you did get this Boxycharm, they did send foundation samples so you could select your shade because they're going to start trying to include like foundations and stuff.
Cool.
To kind of like shade match you.
Ah, help you out. Little samples.
Yeah.
So
well,
there's shade to look for.
Well, no, you pick your shade here. So when you go online and you put whatever shade matches you the best, they can send you actual foundations.
Those are samples, right?
Yeah, they sent us samples to try for now.
Samples. You said no.
Yeah, for now.
They're
But
samples.
in the future, they're going to send us the full size foundation.
Yeah, I get it. Like a sample.
No. This is the sample.
Correct.
I'm not getting it.
Moving right along.
Okay. We'll move on from that. First thing in this Boxycharm is brushes.
Those Boxycharm brand brushes.
So, let's see. We got Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. Brush set.
Brush set.
Brush set.
Brush
I
set.
can't speak. Brush set. So, it's their first ever Boxycharm branded brush set.
Ah.
So, that's cool. So, it came in a little bag like this. And the first brush is like an oval shape. This is weird.
Unique, I think, is the better term.
Oh, but it's like super soft. Oh my god. Oh my. That's like velvet. That literally feels like velvet. Here, feel that.
I don't know.
And then you have a smaller one that's like the same shape. But that feels so good.
I think it's more of a chinchilla feel.
Chinchilla.
Chinchilla.
Okay.
You know you can't get chinchillas wet. You have to clean them with sand.
Like the pet?
Yeah. Right? Isn't that chinchilla? That's what they make fur coats out of, right?
Or is that sugar babies?
Definitely not sugar babies.
You know what I'm talking about. Sugar babies, right? Those little like flying things. Ah!
The candy?
No.
When you say sugar babies, I think candy.
No. If you know what sugar babies are, like the animal, leave a comment down below.
No one's going to comment that. I know what sugar babies are. Anna, you're right.
Sometimes you find them in the mall. They're like trying to sell them. They're like these little flying animals. They kind of look like squirrels. I know these things are so soft.
All right, anyway.
All right.
They are...
Well, hold on.
Okay.
First ever Boxycharm branded brush set. Large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. And a foundation brush has an oval base to shape with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. Our handcrafted is synthetic and cruelty-free. How much for the 2 brushes?
$22. I was thinking 18, but I said 22.
$35.
All right.
All right, moving right along. We got some Tula skincare. We got probiotics and superfoods. This is a Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Mask. I'll let you hold one
Thank you.
so I can show them.
Very cool.
So it has probiotics, grapefruit, go-to cola, and chamomile.
Go-to cola, if you're interested, is an herb that conditions the skin and helps improve the look of elasticity.
I tried to pinch my cheek.
I'm going to say $23 for the two of these.
Wow, 22. Good job.
Thank you.
Good job. All right, the next thing we got is this Juice Booty.
Wow.
Juice Booty. Juice Beauty.
Oh, God.
Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment.
Ah, stem cells. You know where to get those from?
Formulated with organic ingredients.
I bet.
They're probably talking about like plant ones.
Sure.
Yeah.
I'm sure that doesn't say cruelty-free on it, does it?
Actually, it does.
Ooh.
Cruelty-free and vegan.
Yikes. Vegan.
Yeah. Like plant stem cells.
Sure.
That's the top. That's what you put on your eye. Not on your eye. Don't put it on your eye. Oh my God, don't do that. Here you go. Tell me about the Juice Booty.
$30.
$50. Some stem cells. Stem cells got you.
Oh, God. Allergies got me.
All right. Next thing we have is a Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick in the shade Nude. Oh, I don't know why I did that. That was dumb. Nude Mood. Ooh, I love nudes. I can't speak tonight.
She does love nudes. What? You just love nudes.
So this is it right here.
You love seeing nudes. Sharing nudes that you find that you like.
Shut up.
Why are you trying to block your hand with your other hand?
I don't know. So this is the color right here. That was a really pretty color. I like that a lot.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick.
$24.
18.
I'm not on it today.
You are not. You are
It's
not.
because Mercury's in retrograde.
All right. Last thing we got.
Another
It
thing.
is, yeah, Mercury is really in retrograde right now.
Mm.
And so, like, communication is, like, terrible right now.
Terrible.
Your electronics don't work.
Mm.
Just all that stuff. But hopefully, I think, like, next week, Mercury's back going normal.
Did you talk to Mercury and they're going to get back at it next
No,
week?
there was, like, a calendar.
Oh, Mercury calendar.
No, a retrograde calendar. I believe in that stuff. Chris thinks it's hilarious. But the other day, he was having...
It's hilarious. I think it's
He was having lots of issues
concerning.
with his electronics.
What are you talking about?
Your phone wasn't working right.
That's just the same old stuff. That's Sprint iPhone.
My Sprint iPhone works perfectly.
Well, probably because you're not looking up as many nudes as I am.
I'm done with you. So the last thing that we have in this box, which I'm super excited for, is the Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics. So this, I'm going to take the stick out. But these are the colors right here. And if you didn't know, Dominique Cosmetics is made by Christian Dominique. She is a YouTuber here on Facebook.
A YouTuber on YouTube.
Yeah. YouTuber on YouTube. I'll link her channel down below for you guys so you can check her out. I follow her. She's amazing.
Check her out, eh?
But she did come out with her own brand, and they are in Sephora.
Oh.
So if you're interested in getting them, any of her products.
No fibers from the ribbons. That's a big positive. Glad somebody got it together. I like them. It's cool. Cool colors. Cool. I'm a fan of Fireball and Mystic Ice.
Oh, yeah? how much for the Celestial Thunder palette. Which, when it came out, I was really interested in it. But I didn't purchase.
$31.
$31 for the DC. For the DC. Close, but no cigar. $35. But these are the shades right here. They're gorgeous. This is a really pretty palette.
It's nice. She did a good job.
She did.
Good job, Kristen Dominique.
Yeah. But, anyways, that is everything that we got in this month's Boxycharm.
That's it.
If you are interested, I'll leave my Boxycharm link down below if you want to sign up. If not, I'll just leave a regular Boxycharm link as well because I do get some extra charms to purchase things at the charm store if you use my link. But anyways,
What do you think you'll have this video up by?
I'll have it up tomorrow.
Well then, happy Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas.
We're gonna see them again before Christmas.
I probably won't.
Yeah, you will, because we're gonna have Jeffree Star's Thanksgiving Black Friday mystery box, and December is it December? That's a Boxy Lux box.
Well, I hope so.
But no, for real, I'll have this up tomorrow.
Cool. Well then, happy Thanksgiving, y'all.
Happy Thanksgiving!
And Merry Christmas. I'm not seeing you again.
He is going to see you guys again.
I'm busy.
What do you think about his hat?
This old North Florida bank that don't even exist no more. Y'all don't know about that.
It's an old man hat.
I don't know about that.
He's an old man. Anyways, that was it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Yay! Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and be sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a good Thanksgiving. Bye, y'all. You gonna say bye?
Trying to be mysterious.
Oh.